podcast. Yeah, I swear to God, it's still me. I just have different hair. I just got a cut, you see. Yeah, I got that fresh trim, you know what I mean? But yeah, let's make something different today. Back with Jamie Oliver's professional cooking show, although he doesn't cook anything at all. But we're going to be opening up something real weird. Quite unusual, I must say myself. So I will see you. First thing to this is 1 part strawberry and banana smoothie. So in that goes. And there we go. Then we have 1 part milk. So guys, we have 1 part pineapple juice. I hate this stuff. But in it goes. And we also have 1 part zero Coke. Not too much. Oh, it's starting to look a bit brown. Finally, guys, we have 1 part orange, mango, and passion fruit smoothie. And that's it, guys. Jamie Oliver on his cooking show where he doesn't cook anything at all. And I'm going to send this over to your boy. And he's going to try it, guys. Jamie Oliver sent this over to me. I'm going to try it out. Tastes like mashed potato, guys. I prefer to drink that to a salad. I can't believe I actually did that. That tasted really bad. Not even joking. Yeah, thanks Jamie Oliver for trying to kill my taste buds. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And if you're not subscribed, what the hell are you doing? Go and press the subscribe button where it's down below or to the side. And then leave a like, dislike, or comment. I don't care what you do. Just something to support the video. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!
It's delicious.